Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and left trunk. Removal. Remove the two 4.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left support bracket to the top cover. Lift the left support bracket off of the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the left support bracket into position on the top cover. Replace the two 4.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left support bracket to the top cover.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more awesome videos and weekly updates.